Hi everyone, welcome to English with Sepid. Today, I'm gonna give you some writing tips for IELTS. Let's go! As you know, we have always been exposed to some fixed phrases in IELTS writing task 2. So, I've written these fixed phrases which you may have heard a lot. And I've written the best alternatives to be used instead of these fixed phrases. So, pay attention. The first fixed phrase is about the general idea. You know that in IELTS writing task 2, it's important to express the general ideas that many people believe, okay? We use this expression commonly, okay? We say, many people believe that. It's a good alternative. However, there is a better alternative for that. We can say, it is widely believed that. This is the synonymous phrase for the first fixed phrase, okay? It is widely believed that. Then you're going to talk about the main idea and the people's belief, okay? So, let's go to the second part. The second part is expressing personal idea. As you may all know, we use I think. I think. So, this is commonly used phrase, especially in speaking, and you can use it in writing as well, but there is another better alternative. Okay, the alternative is I tend to believe that. This is much more formal and in writing context is going to make your writing enriched. So, I tend to believe that. So, let's go to the third category. It's about agreement. Agreement. So, agreement means we commonly use this phrase, I agree, okay? Or I disagree. It means I believe in that idea that you are stating, or I don't believe in that idea that you are stating. I agree and I disagree. Here, there is another alternative here. We say, I somehow agree. I somehow agree. I rather agree, okay? It means I either agree or disagree. So, let's go. This is the best phrase for that. I agree to some extent. It means I agree and I disagree, okay? A part of your idea is good, but a part of your idea doesn't appeal to me. So we say, I agree to some extent. Now, let's go to the last but not least category, pros and cons. Pros, positive points, good points. Cons, negative points or bad points. So, let's go. Here we are going to compare the pros and cons. We are going to say that the pros are more than the cons, okay? So, pros are more, cons are less or fewer, actually. So, let's go. The advantages, the pros. The advantages are more than the disadvantages, cons. So we are comparing. The advantages are more than the cons. So positive points are more than the negative points. Let's go. The best alternative for this is the advantages outweigh. Outweigh means are more, okay? So the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. The advantages are more than disadvantages. The advantages outweigh the disadvantages. That's it. So use them in your IELTS writing task 2 to get the best mark. See you!